Hey everybody, back again. I just wanted to give a quick video update to let everybody know what I've been working on. It's following progress. Maybe some of you are, maybe some of you are just getting a good laugh. Either way, this is what I'm doing. If you've been following, you're familiar with the twin flyback setup I got going here. Still have yet to duplicate those boards again without those fuses popping. One of those. I don't know why, but it just keeps doing it. It can be identical, and it does it every time. So, I tried using 4 Leyden jars, homemade, and I wasn't happy with the performance, so I cut it back to these 2 big ones. Same old test coil. Nothing too fancy, nothing really changed there. Tried another primary, seems to be the exact same output, so I don't think I can change much on that. Start playing with secondaries. Santa Claus showed up late. 24, I do believe, nanofarad capacitor. And then the exact same thing, it's just probably about 15 years older, if that. Heavy as hell. I've been also working on this. I'm not sure if it was Mr. Angus something or other from YouTube, or if it was High Voltage Rules that suggested I try a Rotary Spark Gap. Oh, it might have even been Paul's Labs. I can't remember. It might have been Paul's Labs. But right now I have it set up to run off of a 120 volt sewing machine motor, and completely non-variable, really fast, too fast for what I'm wanting to use. So that's going to end up going on the Van de Graaff generator, which I'm waiting for one rubber band to even start working on it before I can cut the pipe. So one of the things I've been toying with, and well, just toyed with, and so far I think it's pretty safe to call it useless. So if anybody has a suggestion of what I can do with this other than welding, give me a suggestion. There you go. But you can't run it. You can't make contact for more than just like half a second at a time. I don't know if you can see that, but it isn't so shiny anymore, and I mean it started melting plastic inside there. Thinking maybe run a high voltage diode on the end of what I figure to be positive, indicates it mainly, and see if I can convert it to DC. I don't know, I've never tried it before, but this is how we learn. I've got some nice matching diodes, so one for out, one for in. Another secondary coil for a smaller Tesla coil. I want to have 3 of them set up, and I'm going to work on a couple different size Van de Graaff generators and just play around with different geometrical placements. Been listening to a lot of Mr. Hutchison, who right now I consider almost greater than Tesla, just because he's doing some amazing stuff, and we're about to see more stuff from him soon. And yeah, so I'll leave you guys with this. Nothing too fancy, just fun to sit and look at. And if anybody can tell me what movie this is, well, then they're special. Have a good one.